Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And not a bad view as we look off to the west over top of downtown Huntsville. This view brought to you by the Thompson Roofing and Construction Sky Camera Network. And we've had mostly clear skies, especially the further west you've had today. And that's due to all that dry air that moved in behind yesterday's cold front. And look at Huntsville right now. It's 95 degrees. We had a high of 97 so far today, and that'll likely stay the high. But look at the heat index. It's right at the actual air temperature of 95. We had days last week where the temperature was at 95 and the heat index was closer to 107, 108. So that's the difference that drier air is making today and much of this week. What we're seeing in terms of that streak today was the 13th day at or above 90. And keep in mind that 9 of those 13 days were at or above 95 degrees. So we have seen some significant heat over the last 2 weeks. And of course, the big difference maker here today is that drier air. One of those ways that we measure that drier air or the lower humidity is dew points. And look at the dew points right now once you get closer to Huntsville and then to the west, down into the mid to upper 50s. That's some pretty dry air for this time of the year here in North Alabama. But then if you head off to the east, it's a 70-degree dew point in Scottsboro, 68 in Fort Payne. So we got this little tongue of moisture coming in from out of Georgia, and that's what's fueling some of those thunderstorms just across the state line. We also have a little bit more cloud cover showing up on the satellite for Jackson and DeKalb County, but all the storms staying off to the east at this moment. But we'll need to keep a close eye on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network this evening because we could have a few of those drift into DeKalb County. The forecast for tomorrow, we are back up to the mid to upper 90s, but that comes with a little bit more humidity for everyone, including the shoals, and that's going to bring those chances for some pop-up storms. And you'll notice that highs again in the mid to upper 90s, but the feels like temperatures are back above 100. Could even see some peak values right around 104. Thankfully, that's going to be the last day that we start to see those values above 100 because we're going to see the temperatures falling as we head through your Sunday and into your Monday. There's a look at the humidity tracker. This is heading into your Saturday. You'll notice that the moisture is still mostly near and east of I-65. We still have some of that drier air as you get closer to the shoals, but all that moisture, we see the greens, that overspreads North Alabama into your Sunday afternoon, and that's really going to increase those chances for some thunderstorms. So there's a look at future radar. This is 7 o'clock this evening. Again, some of those showers and storms coming close to parts of North Alabama, even that one moving into Chattanooga. Then through the overnight hours, even a few showers drifting close by for DeKalb County. But then into the afternoon, as we start to heat things up, we're starting to see some pop-up showers and storms, and we definitely need to see some rain here this weekend. It is very dry out there right now. And then heading into your Sunday, we're seeing more pop-up showers and storms throughout your Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. Of course, we'll keep a close eye on Lake Guntersville this weekend with Hydrofest in town. And potential rainfall through your Saturday. Again, most of the rain east of I-65, about a 1/10 to a 1/4 of an inch of rainfall. But look at all the rain filling in by Sunday, Monday, and into Tuesday. Even some areas closer to an inch of rainfall. So some much needed rain heading into your Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And of course, all the clouds, the rain, and some cooler air behind that cold front, it's going to pull the temperatures down. We're down to 88 for a high on Monday. So that would put an end to that streak if we don't make it up to 90. 89 for a high on Tuesday, and then starting to warm things back up by the middle of next week. 92 to 93 by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Seeing